Hey guys, welcome back to Route 16. I am your host Javon, and today we have a brand new benchmark. We're testing out Bayonetta 3 for the PC. Not really. Today we're using the Ryujinx emulator. Today testing on my Ryzen R7 1700 with the RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR4 RAM in dual channel memory, 3000 MHz overclocked, and we're gonna have some fun today. First video with the new Ryzen 7 1700 we're testing out here today on the channel. Boy, I wanted to get better performance. Here we are. I got a better CPU for better performance for emulation, but obviously this will be the main stand now for the RX-570. We're going to try and get another graphics card for the RX-570. I mean, listen, this is fresh out the box. It still even says activate Windows down here. Fresh out the damn box, man. Nonetheless, though, we want to see how these benchmarks run, and here we are. So right off the bat, we're using the Ryujinx emulator because it's way easier to use this one. Yuzu has a lot of issues still with Ryzen altogether. That didn't change, and we can see the difference. So there's no stuttering anymore, which is something I love. I no longer have stuttering in any of my games. I'm happy about this. Now, this is the first time I'm booting up the game, but as you can see, it is hitting 60 FPS for the most part, and this area is demanding. My i7 4790 cried every time I came to this area. I remember, it was like a week ago. But here we are. Still holding 60. We're doing it, man. This is playable. This is what we call playable. So this is what playable Switch games feel like, huh? Anyway, we're going to be testing this for PC as well, so stay tuned for that. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz. Probably should have booted it in first regardless, but hey. Did they not fix this issue yet with the whole cutscene thing? I think this is a Bayonetta with the Nintendo Switch thing rather than the game itself, the CPU. I can live with that though. It's not that bad. Compared to what it was like before. Yeah, the cutscenes definitely still lag. Maybe I don't have the right version. Maybe I didn't update my version of the game. I may have not. Oops. Regardless, I just wanted to show you guys some games here. We'll be testing out a few games to show you guys, hey, they run better on here now. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the rest of the games. I'm just gonna mute myself now.